Hello and welcome to this unboxing and instructions video of the Atlas A3 pouch laminator. This model number is ASLM2P34D3. So let's have a look around the box. We have the instructions here. It uses 450 watts. This is at 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. The lamination speed is 350 millimeters per minute. The max lamination thickness is 75 to 150 micron. And the maximum lamination size is 340 millimeter or A3 size. It has 4 rollers and this is made in China. So let's go ahead and open up the box and have a look. And I'll be also turning it on and using it. So let's have first a look at the user manual. This is the user manual. And now let's have a look at the laminator. So this is the power cable. Have to remove this before use. Okay, we have here the on and off button and the thickness selector. So basically you have to see the thickness of your lamination paper and adjust this accordingly. It ranges from 75 micron to 150 micron. Let's have a look around this device. So here you have indicators of the different lamination paper size, and this is the jam releaser. So if you have any kind of jam inside the machine, if you press here you can pull it out. So this is how it looks like from the back, and that's it. I'm going to turn it on and show you how to laminate. So I bought this lamination pouches. This is A4 125 microns. So we'll set it to 125 microns. Let me open it up. So let me get one lamination pouch out of the hand to test. First let's turn it on. As you see, it's powered up. And when it's ready to be used to insert the pouch, it will turn green. So these are the lamination pouches. So you take one lamination pouch and it opens from one end, and you insert the paper that you want to get laminated inside the pouch. You have to make sure when you insert it that you have enough of the plastic material or the lamination pouch on all directions. So you know, now I have here enough, and here because it has to seal. Let me push it inside further. This side, the other side is closed, so it's okay to push it further until it reaches the end. So now we have this lamination pouch all around the piece of paper, and once we get this green light, that means it's ready. We'll just insert it from this side. It's better to insert from the side that is closed, not from this side which is opened. Why? Just in case you might get some kind of air inside it. So just use this closed side, because it will be pressing this side until it finishes from the other side. So you have to insert it not from this side, it will be coming out from this side. So you have to put it here, but I'm waiting for the light to come on. So that means the heating elements, the rollers inside, will be hot enough for lamination. Because it was new from the box, so it will take some time for it to heat up. You should not use this device for more than 1 hour at a time, and you should let it rest between each lamination to the other lamination. So between users, you should let it rest for 15 seconds. So you should have a margin here. You should have a margin on all the sides. Between every edge of the inner layer and the pouch, you should have a margin of about 3 to 5 millimeters. Okay, so you see the green light has come on. So you put now this pouch with the document here, and then you just leave it, and the rollers inside it will be pulling the paper that you want to get laminated from this side to the other side. You just leave it until it finishes. As you see, it's coming from the other side now. You will wait for it until it comes fully out, then you just can remove it. So it came out and it's finished laminating. So now it's laminated, and simple as that. So this was all that comes in the box, but first of all, don't forget, when you finish using it, turn it off. So this was all that came in the box: the laminator and the instruction manual. Those lamination pouches I bought separately. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.